I almost didn't make a video today. Let me just break the ice, okay? Now it's hard enough to make a schedule. It's hard enough to follow it. Now it's even harder when people around you are, trying to control you, put another schedule where, man, it's so damn. So this is what happened. I wanted to make this video. I wanted to. But then every day something else came up and I went, you know what? This is more important than this. So I should do this. I mean, man, that was the most stupidest excuse I gave, in the past couple of days. What? Just because something important came, I put aside my work so that I thought, you know what? This command is more important. But what I ended up doing in those time where I could have shot this kind of video, I was doing. Now that isn't good. And what I learned from the past couple of days is there's this techniques that I use in life and there is this frame from which the techniques come. And I am trying to be in this current state using these techniques to achieve a result. It's just not working. It's not working. So I guess the solution for this problem is you have to change your identity, like what James Clear told in Atomic Habits. It's like, rather than saying you're a poor person trying to get rich, it's more like saying you're a rich person who got poor and trying to get rich again, So even that way, I'm no more an ENTP. I'm an SF. I'm an, what is SIFETINE? I'm that type, right? I'm an introverted organizer guy. That's what I am. And I'm slowly remembering my past self. That is, I was a disciplined guy that I am not now, but I'm remembering my true self. That is what I'm planning to do.